A blinking yellow light on your Lenovo docking station is a clear signal that something needs attention. This indicator typically points to issues with power delivery, connection problems, or firmware conflicts. The first and most effective solution is a power cycle reset. This simple procedure resolves approximately 60% of blinking yellow light cases and should always be your starting point. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to inspect your connection. Cable problems are surprisingly common and often overlooked as a potential cause. These immediate troubleshooting steps, power cycling and connection verification, resolve the majority of blinking yellow light issues. If your dock light continues blinking after these steps, the problem likely requires more advanced troubleshooting involving drivers, firmware updates, or potential hardware replacement. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the blinking yellow light, we need to move to advanced software and hardware diagnostics. The first advanced step is updating three critical software components: the docking station firmware, USB-C or Thunderbolt drivers, and your laptop's BIOS system. Use Lenovo Commercial Vantage to automatically update your docking station firmware and drivers. This tool detects your hardware and downloads the correct updates directly from Lenovo. Outdated or incompatible software causes approximately 60% of persistent yellow light issues that survive basic troubleshooting. Power adapter wattage is critical. Many yellow light issues occur when the AC adapter doesn't provide sufficient power for the docking station's requirements. Always check your dock's power requirements against your adapter's output rating. Using an underpowered adapter is a common cause of connection failures. When software updates don't resolve the issue, hardware diagnostics are necessary. Start by testing the dock with a different compatible laptop to isolate the problem. Hardware failures account for 10 to 15% of persistent yellow light cases. The most common hardware issues involve USB-C port wear and power delivery circuit problems. If software updates and power verification don't resolve the yellow light, hardware diagnostics using Lenovo's tools or testing with different devices will identify whether component replacement is needed.